Don't stop no counting front line, I tell you that. Nah, for real. We outside, nigga. Let me roll up a drink, huh? Niggas don't play your leg. Yeah. Oh, wait. Is it? Fuck. No, that ain't it. Oh, that shit that you got in the house is dirt.
Nah, this shit right here is good. You can tell, like, this is regular spread. No fun, this is back in the day. Let me hurry up, roll this up.
Oh, nah, he jazzed it with the back of the day.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. But I really had a video of it back in the day, so I just had it back in the day.
Yeah. That was that shit right there.
I was really like I was off the fucking tree off the weed. I was really.
Hey, let me see it butter that way.
I'm thinking right here, like, I'm really this how.
Let me see. The butter. That ain't nothing. That broke ass nigga, he looking for hours. What's he do? You get some fucking money. I'm gonna take this motherfucking jacket off. Here you go. I'm back. Back.
Look.
What? Oh, I thought these fat as shit. I know what to be punished and shit. And spit on the you slip. Speak on Brody, I'm gonna say you to him. They ain't gonna beat the shit out of you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. KZ, come on, bro. You was really begging for your chain back, bro. Come on, bro. Chill, bro. We ain't even like, go ahead, bro. And the hoops up there, yeah. You see that shit, nigga? Don't do that. Don't play with us. We ain't the ones to be playing with, I'm telling you. You gonna get mad like you're around with that. I'm telling you. Don't play with that like that, KZ. Don't play with it. Keep lying and shit. Don't play with it. This fucking giant. Don't play with it. Don't fucking play with it. Bitch ass. Fucking play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Niggas don't want to meet me at the store. If you meet me at the store, I'm gonna smack the shit out. I need this now. Now when I smack you, bitch ass. Hey, put this on for me. Let me get my beef over here. Shit, my wrist up. Give it a while, I'm out. Them niggas know how to get when they speak on bro. Them niggas know how to get when they speak on bro. They thought they was up, now was shit on the floor. They playing on lies, so we come right through. If this was me, if I was you, it wouldn't be no you. Hey, Ford, where my phone at? Nah, man. They say murder for them niggas got dropped. Them niggas, bitches, them niggas ain't ops. If them niggas was dead, I would. Damn it. Commissioner. There's no weapon in my bag. That's what you're saying. No, it's not. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. It's nothing like that.